So here's how to fix resolution changes automatically in Windows 11. So if your screen size is being changed automatically, here's what you can do. So you want to right click on the start button and then click on device manager. Now once the device manager loads up, now you want to expand display adapters and then right click on your main GPU and then click update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now, if you have the latest one, it should tell you that you have already installed, the drivers are already installed. Next, what you can do is try to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now, if you see a pending update related to your GPU, you should click on download and install. You can also click on advanced options, optional updates, and check in this list if you have a GPU related update. You can check it by checking the checkbox next to it and then click on download and install. What you can do as well is close out of this. Next, if you have a GPU like GeForce from NVIDIA, you can open your browser and install the NVIDIA app. So you can search for the NVIDIA app and download it and install it so they can get the updates or get the most recent updates from NVIDIA. So I'm going to open the NVIDIA app real quick. It should look like this. You want to go to drivers section and under GeForce Game Ready driver, you want to make sure that you have the latest version installed for the Game Ready driver. You can also press this arrow to check for updates. Now, if you have the latest version installed, what you can do as well is right click on the Windows Start button, click on Run, and then type msconfig in here and press OK. And that should bring up the system configuration. Now you want to go to the boot section and make sure the base video option is not checked. If it is already checked, you want to uncheck it and then press apply and OK. And that should prompt you to reboot your computer, so you can press on restart. Next, you want to right click on the start button again and go to settings and then click on system and then display, and then you want to scroll down. Now under scale and layout, make sure the scale is set to 100% and the display resolution is set to your screen native resolution. So for me it's 1920 by 1080. And the display orientation is landscape if your screen is not vertical. And then you want to scroll down to advanced display, click on it, then click on display adapter properties for display 1 or whichever display you're using. So click on it and then it should bring up this window. Now click on list all modes and make sure it's set to a refresh rate that does not exceed your screen refresh rate. So for example, 144 for me. You can also set it to 60 and then press OK. Make sure it's your screen native resolution as well. And true color 32-bit. Press OK and then click on apply and OK. Now that should generally solve the issue. But if this issue still persists with you, what you can do is go to Windows Updates and make sure you have installed any system updates that are pending, as this can fix display issues most of the times. So you can just click on download and install if you have a system update like this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.